Hi guys, today we're going to work on some houseplants. As you can see behind me, I've got some decisions to make. This big one right here in the corner, that is a Peace Lily. I've had this plant, I guess he's a he, I call him he all the time. Oh God, probably 20 odd years now. I've never changed the soil in this thing, nothing, and it just thrives. Right now, it's looking a little sad because it does tend to fall back during the winter when it's in the house. But when I bring it outside in the summertime in a little shade, the heat and humidity, the thing, oh, it's very happy. It's just very happy. But so what I want to do is, I'm still thinking about these Supertunias because the new pot I planted has six plants in it, and I think it's really too much for that pot. So I want to take 2 or 3 out of that. Well, to do that, I have this other Peace Lily here. So I want to take this guy apart. Oh, look here, isn't this cute? Lana did a project one year where we were painting stones. But I want to take these and transplant them into that guy up there. Oops, there we go. Or at least one of them, because there's 2 plants in here. I'll have to see. I don't know how I don't know how this is going to work out, so I'm just going to set up the camera and see what happens. Join me on the journey. Let's move this guy. So you can see, I don't know if you can see, but that's the room that I'm going to try to fit in there. So what I'm going to do is, this is my extra potting soil. So I'm just going to dig a bunch of this out so there's room for those to come in. I'm better off using my hands to feel what I'm doing. This guy is, what the hell are you doing? It's because I love you, baby. I'm bringing you some friends. There we go. There's a bunch of dirt out there. Perfect. Oh, he's going back in. You know that. Okay. So this is what that's looking like. Pretty empty there. Hope you can tell. So let's bring this guy over here. This dirt here, I'm going to save for the Supertunias. I'm going to move him out. So let's get him out of the way. Bring this soil back in and start filling it up. all the Peace Lilies are like, what the hell are you doing? What are you doing to us? I'm giving you some new friends, guys. I'm giving you some new friends. And you guys need some new dirt. Or more dirt. This is kind of low in here. There we go. Yeah, I talk to my plants. I don't know, what do you think? I'm going to come out with the trimmers, scissors, trim away some of that stuff here. Okay, let's put them back. Put them back up. Okay. Ooh, center it on the first try. Woo! You go, girl. Okay. We do need to trim all our leaves towards the back for now. So I do understand that this is kind of a tight space for a plant of this size because it does block half of my door here. But if I put this out on the back porch, I'm going to forget about it. It's just a given. So this way I'm going to be able to take care of him better and stay on top of watering him and such out here because I'm going to be out here every morning checking these guys. So this is a little bit more for keeping my plant happy versus my realty. So these guys are pretty much cursing my name right now. They're like, not again. We're finally starting to perk up, and uh-oh, here comes the shovel. So we've got 6 in here, so what I'm gonna do is take 3 out and 3. Need to make sure that I take at least 2 colors. So we got, I need to see where we, well, I found that one. Let's just go for this baby. I don't want to damage these guys. Okay. I mean, they got such a nice healthy root ball. So that's one. I'm reading that in a second. 1. This guy is good. Oh, I need to have a pink one, a light pink one in here. Oh no, that's dark. I don't know what color this one is. This one's gonna do it. This is a darker colored one also. There we go, baby. So now we have 1, 2, 3. Is that right? Is this 1? So that I've got 3 in this one then. And I've got 2 in this one. Okay. Let's tap you off with a little soil. Tomorrow morning is plant food day, so I'll just give them a little bit of a soak tonight, and then I'll get a good heavy drain with the food tomorrow. Okay, so this has got 2 in it, or 3 in it, and this one's got 2, so I'm going to steal one out from the other plant there, because I've got that much to spare. Okay, be right back. Look at that, I found a pink one. Okay. There we go. There we go. So we have 3, 3, 3, and 4. I feel so much better with those numbers. Everything is not over. I'm like staring at the flowers as I'm talking to you. But everything is not overfilled. I don't know what to expect from these guys, and the last thing I want to do is do like my friend Susan said. She told me when she overplanted and it choked everything out and they died, and I can't have that. That would make me cry.